Hello guys! Today we have a nice adventure at the zoo, so let's go!
Animals like tiger live in the jungle. Ooh! In the jungle there are also monkeys and birds of many colors. Wow! Would you like to meet them, baby John? That's a great idea! Yes, I want! That sounds like a lot of fun!
We're gonna go to the zoo. We're gonna go to the zoo. We're gonna go to the zoo. Won't you join us too? Lots of animals at the zoo. A tiger, a monkey, an elephant too. We love animals, how about you? Let's go to the big, big zoo.
Welcome to the Animal Kingdom.
Thank you, Mr. Zebra. Hippopotamus soaking in the pool. Under the water they stay cool. A mommy, a daddy, and baby too. They are a hippo family. Baby hippo opens his mouth. He's got big teeth, a great big snout. Shows his tongue and sticks it out. He is a happy hippo. Baby John, I think he wants to play with you. Did you see that? Baby John, you have a new friend. I see a tiger, he's gonna roar. I see a tiger, he's gonna roar. I see a tiger, he's gonna roar. That's what tigers do. Give him some milk and he's gonna purr. Give him some milk and he's gonna purr. Just like a baby covered in fur. A tiger called so cute.
Come on, the monkey show is about to start. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I present to you the wonderful...
No! Crazy monkeys!
The show is not over yet.
Where are we going, Mom? I don't know. High in the treetops, what do you see? High in the treetops, what do you see? What new animal will we meet on our zoo adventure? See the giraffes stand so tall. See the giraffe with neck so long. They look hungry, let's feed them all. Feed the giraffe some food. Oh?
There's nothing to fear. This is as simple as eating peanuts. See you down there.
We're gonna slide, that's what we'll do. We're gonna slide, that's what we'll do. Won't you come and join us too? We'll all go and slide together. What's at the bottom of the slide? We'll find out, let's go for a ride. We're going to get a big surprise. Sliding at the zoo. Look at this.
You've arrived just in time for the parade.
This is fantastic! Look at the elephants in the parade. Look at the elephants in the parade. See them march, see them play. Just like a great big party. We had fun going to the zoo. We had fun going to the zoo. We had fun. How about you? Fun at the zoo, zoo, zoo. Can we go back tomorrow? Maybe. Please.
Zoo animals. At the zoo, baby John saw many animals. So now let's remember them. Babies, this is a zebra. Zebra. This is a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. This is a monkey. Monkey. This is a tiger. Tiger. This is an elephant. Elephant. And this is a giraffe. Giraffe. So have fun at the zoo. Activity time. Olá, famílias! Nossa sugestão de atividade, baseada no tema da semana Zoo Animals, é que possamos fazer pequenos registros utilizando a mão ou o pezinho do bebê. Aqui seguem alguns exemplos. Será uma bela atividade para eternizar e registrar esse momento em família. Tenho certeza que vocês vão gostar. Já com as crianças maiores, a sugestão é que possamos criar animais utilizando materiais recicláveis que temos em casa. Rolo de papel higiênico, garrafa PET, tampinhas. Seguem algumas sugestões. Tenho certeza que eles irão adorar terem o seu próprio zoológico. Bye, bye!